Oh my god. Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a different kind of video. I've never done something like this. I never thought I was gonna be the type of person who wanted to do a video like this. But when I find videos that are kind of like this, which I'm gonna tell you in a moment, I find them very helpful. And yeah, so basically today's video is what someone can do when they're having a bad day, or like what I like to call a shitty day. Right now I'm alone. I'm alone in my house. I've been really stressed out with school and homework and online class, and my computer it doesn't have storage, and I really want to edit videos because I want to upload every Tuesday, but because my computer doesn't have storage, I cannot edit any videos, and I'm really stressed out. So I was just gonna watch some YouTube videos and just do nothing, but I really want to be more like, you know what, let's get through this, you know, because sometimes we have shitty days. So I really want myself to feel a little bit better. What I'm gonna do is, the weather outside is frightful. The weather outside, it's gloomy and sad, so maybe that's it, or I don't know, I've been really stressed. And yeah, so really wanted to do this video where I show you what you can do on a shitty day, because everyone has a shitty day, and right now I'm having a really bad shitty day. I don't know what to do. I'm being very negative, so yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. It's a different video for me, of course. I'm still in my pajamas, and also I'm feeling very insecure, so yeah. So first thing I want to do is take a shower, but I'm not gonna wash my hair because tonight I'm going out and I'm feeling very lazy to do my hair again. So I'm gonna take a quick shower, and maybe that's gonna help me a little, and it's just not gonna, yeah. And I'm not just gonna be laying in my bed and watching a YouTube video or just being negative. So at least I can go take a shower, maybe put some music, and yeah. But I'm not gonna show you when I go into the shower. So I'm gonna get a shower right now. I'm gonna put some music right there. Hi, that's me. Ew. So yeah, maybe this is gonna work, maybe not. Let's see. So I'm still recording on my phone because I think this makes it a little bit more real than just carrying the camera. So basically I just got off the shower. I didn't wash my hair as I told you guys, and that helped a little. I put a a playlist on Spotify, and it was like the 2010s, you know, kind of music playlist. I'll just put a picture right here so you guys can see. And it started with a song by what was it, the fight song, this is my fight song, and I started tearing up, and then it was Firework by Katy Perry, and that's when I lost it. But at least I'm feeling a little bit better. Sometimes it's good to cry because you get your emotions out. I always say it's good to cry. It's not a bad thing. It doesn't make you weak. We're humans. It's okay. So yeah, I did cry, but right now I'm feeling a lot better. I don't know if you guys can tell since the last clip. I'm not gonna try to do anything that's gonna stress me out right now. So my room is already clean, so that's one thing you can do. So one thing I think that could be helpful for others to be more active when they're having a bad day or a shitty day is, if you're in your pajamas, just put something else, because that makes it's a new accomplishment. Or if you're in bed, just make your bed, and it's just another accomplishment for the day, you know. it's little tasks you can do to just motivate you to continue the day. Right now I'm in my bathrobe, but I'm gonna put like some, I don't know, leggings and maybe a hoodie, because if I put my pajamas again, that might like make me feel again a negative way, or just don't want to do things. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna change into some cozy clothes. I'm not telling you to put heels on, or if you're having a bad day at work and you come home, just put something cozy. Don't put your pajamas on, put something cozy. Put some leggings or just an oversized shirt, something you're comfortable with, but not pajamas, because that just makes you want to go to bed. So yeah, that's all I've got to say. Oh god, that shower felt so good. I washed my face, like everything. So yeah, I'm gonna change and then I'll be right back. Okay, so ew. I put this on. Oh, let me hide myself. So I put this on. I don't know why. I look cute. So I just put some leggings, a white t-shirt, and this little sweater, because I was gonna put a hoodie on. Then I was like, nah, you know what? Let's do this. And because I don't want to wear shoes, I just put some socks on. So yeah, and I put a yellow sweater because, you know, let's just be positive today. So yeah. So now that you're ready, now that I've changed to something more comfortable and something a little bit not pajamas. Okay, so next thing I like to do is just turn on some candles on. The first candle I have is this one. It's by Everyday Luxe, and it's the sapphire one. This one I got as a present from one of my friends for Christmas, and actually makes my room smell very good. And I also have this one beside my bed. It's from the Hallmark. It's Cozy Cashmere Soy Base Candle. I got this also for Christmas from one. Look at my ratchet nail. Ew. So I got also this from Christmas from an aunt. So. And I'm also gonna turn on my Himalayan salt, my salt lamp. A little bit, just yeah. So that's that. Hi, Tiki. You could also spend some quality time with your favorite pee. Hi. I think just like, I know she seems like she doesn't like me right now, but just, you know, having some quality time with my kid, play with her, just snuggles with her. Because she likes to snuggle, don't you? So just like spending, if you have a pet, just spend some time with them, because sometimes they also feel lonely. And more if they're just one puppy, right? Yes, mommy. So I just did my hair a little bit, because that also helps you like getting ready a little bit. You don't have to wear makeup, just, oh no. Another thing I like to do, you're gonna see me here. Another thing I like to do is skincare, so I'm going to show you my skincare. That's what I do. That's another thing you can do. Like get up and do things you normally do. And I'm not saying you should do your makeup, but I really do recommend if you're like just not like want to go out, put it like a happy movie or something like that. Don't put a movie that's gonna make you upset. So right now I'm just watching some YouTube videos, some David Dobrik or something that's gonna make me laugh instead of watching something sad, because I'm the type of girl who loves seeing like sad movies, and right now it's not a good day. Maybe another day, but right now I'm just gonna keep on watching YouTube videos, and that's what I'm gonna do. Trying to get out of my room and be like in the kitchen or something. Can you see Musky? Hi. Yep. that's what I'm gonna do. Can you listen to the rain? It's like pouring. I'm still at my house. It's been about 2 hours since I last recorded and I haven't done nothing. I am dying of starvation. Not dying of starvation, but I'm dying. I'm very, very hungry, and I try to order something from Uber Eats. Another thing that would be great if you're having a crappy day is getting something you really enjoy to eat. It could be, I don't know, it could be something healthy. It can be something not so healthy. I'm trying to order a poke. Is it called poke? Yeah, a poke. That's one of my favorite foods ever. There's one here in Tijuana that's called Baja Poke. It's A+. I love that fucking place. And yeah, and I'm trying to order, but I can't. So my mom, the saint that she is, and I hope she goes and gets me some, because I'm not dying, but I'm very, very hungry. So yeah, I have been just watching videos on YouTube. I did told you guys that you shouldn't do anything that's gonna stress you more, but I tried to delete more stuff in my computer, but I don't know why each time I just use it, I just deleted like 3 gigabytes, and I have not been like editing or nothing. I just use it for a few seconds and it says that it's freaking full. So yeah, so I'm trying not to stress. I told you guys I'm going out later. I think right now it's about 5. I want to say 5. It could be 6, but I think it's 5 p.m. Yeah, because I don't want to say it's like 7 and it's not. I think it's 5. Going out, it's until night, but yes. I already did my hair. It's pouring rain, so I don't know if my still going out is gonna happen, but yeah. Trying to do this as a vlog, but it's not a vlog. It's just telling them what to do when they're having a fucked up day. Well, it continues to be a shitty day. We were so good, but now I'm kind of bummed out. I couldn't dance a little, so I'm sweating. But I need to get ready because plans changed and I need to meet my best friend earlier. So I'm just gonna do my makeup. This really helps when you're having a shitty day, if you don't feel like very confident in yourself. I know that's a bad thing to say, but it really helps you. It has helped me a lot. I suffer with a lot of confidence issues, and this helps me a lot. Doesn't make me, because it makes me feel pretty, but because through makeup I can show my, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I was just dancing. So through makeup, I can share my creativity and to just show that I am capable of doing something, which is really bad to say, but really does help me a lot. So I'm just gonna do my makeup. You guys can see, but yeah. Okay, I'm ready. I told you guys I'm gonna go out, so keep my mind off everything, distress. But if you're not the type of girl who or guy who wants to go out and party, you could just stay at our house, watch some movies, order something to eat, or invite a friend so they can keep you company. So yeah this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this video was a little bit hard for me to record even more because it was a bad day, but I really wanted to show you guys what things you can do and just try to stay positive through a bad day, because I mean, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.